Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Dina Amelia. I'm from class the afternoon in 5th semester. Now, in this video, I will show you about how to input the data with SPSS 23 application. So, without any further ado, please keep on watching. Okay, this is the initial view of the SPSS 23 application. The variable is still empty, right? So, now at the bottom there are two sections. First, we move to the variable view sections. In this variable view, we enter several variables according to the data we have. Here there are several columns. In the name column, enter all the variables. There are patient, sex, age, and then counselor, session, and satisfaction. And then in the next column, in the automatic type column, we select numeric because the patient data I have is in the form of numbers. Next, in the width column, we enter age because the data from is not a number. Because the data is form is not a number. So next, in the decimal column, we change it to just 0 decimal place. And then the label section can be left blank. Then the values and missing section remain none. The column section follows the width, so it becomes age. The align section select right, and we use the measure section, which is nominal for numeric data. And the roll section still use input. So the next variable is sex. It's also the same type with decimal and label, just follow the same in all variables. And for the value section, we click on point 3, display will appear like this. Then press 1 in the value section and write male. In the label section, then click add. Then write the number 2 again in the value section and write female in the label. Then click add and OK. Furthermore, the missing column, align, and measure part also adjusts the same as other variables. Then on the age variable, it's still the same. Here we change the measure section to scale because age is based on the data of each patient. Then the counselor variable is almost the same as the sex variable. In the value section, we click point 3, display will appear like this. Then press 1 in the value section and write John in the label section, then click add, then write the number 2 again in the value section and write Jan in the label section. Then click add and OK. It's free. It says free, the name we want to write. Then the next one is also the same. Use the nominal part of the measure. Then the section satisfaction variables. The section and satisfaction variables are the same as the age variable. Well, after that, we move to the data view. We can see that the variable has changed according to the view that we filled in the view variable earlier. Then we can immediately enter the data we have. All we have to do is copy paste and block the patient section. Next is the sex section. Adjust it to what we filled in the view variable earlier. For male data, click 1, and for female data, click 2. So on until it's finished. Then if you have, moving to the age section, is also the same. We can copy paste and block according to the data we have. Then the counselor section, the same as the sex section. We use the code we made, click 1 for John and click 2 for Jan. We can see in the sex section, if the data is male, we click on John number 1. And if the data is female, we click on Jan number 2. After that, in the session section, we just copy paste and block the same as data patient and age. And the last is the satisfaction section, can also copy paste and block the data we have. I think that's enough for this video. I hope it's useful for us. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.